Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Do you have lower back pain? And no, I'm not talking about your students, family, or friends. As a music teacher, many hours are spent sitting and standing in exactly the same position. We've created the Ultimate Music Yoga program. Improving your lower back pain may be just as easy as rolling out your hips with a tennis ball. Here's Heather Kolenkowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Lower back pain. How did this happen? Where did it come from? Many times our lower back pain is a result of tension or misfunction somewhere else in the body, and sometimes that number one culprit is the hips. So we're going to take Mr. Tennis Ball, we're going to use him as our little personal massage therapist, and we're going to massage the hips. So make your way onto your back with your knees bent, your tennis ball handy, and lifting your bottom up, place that tennis ball under your bottom and kind of play around with that until you feel that area of tension where the hip and the femur join. And you'll find it, and the words ow may come to mind. Now keep in mind, because your knees are bent, you can put as little or as much pressure on that tennis ball as possible. Now the nice thing about this is you can wiggle around and get into those nitty-gritty areas and start to allow those nerves and tendons to release. It feels really great, but you'll know if you're really tight. Be sure to balance it off on the other side. So play with that, have fun. It's a great one, it's easy to do, dollar store tennis balls. For these and other amazing tips on health and wellness, please go to ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.